Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. Here we have a river with a wooden raft in it. A few people and animals are standing on one side of the river. There is a farmer, his son and daughter, and a few farm animals, including a dog, 2 rabbits, and 2 squirrels. All of them want to cross the river. But there are some rules. Let's see. Rule number 1 says that, if the farmer is not around, the dog will bite everybody and everything. Rule number 2 says that, if the boy is not around, the girl will tease the rabbits. Rule number 3 says that, if the girl is not around, the boy will tease the squirrels. Rule number 4 says that all 3 people can row the raft, but none of the animals can. And the final rule says that the raft can hold either 2 persons or 1 person with 1 animal. Okay, so using these rules, we have to shift all the people and animals from one side of the river to another. Let's start. First, the farmer and the dog will go to the other side. The farmer will come back alone. Then, the farmer and one of the rabbits will go there. The farmer and the dog will both come back. Now, the boy and the rabbit will go there. The boy will come back alone. Then, both children will go. The girl will come back. The boy can stay with the rabbits. Now, the farmer and the dog will travel to the other side. The boy will come back to this side. Then, both children will go. The girl will come back alone. Now, the girl and one of the squirrels will go. The farmer and his dog will come back. Now, the farmer and the remaining squirrel will go. The farmer will come back alone. And finally, the farmer and the dog will go to the other side, and bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.